Jesus. What I have for y'all today is another grab pick video. I have an old Master 530 and a newer Master 530. This has spools. This doesn't. This has a lot of security grit from age and yeah. So we're gonna see which one's harder to pick with my grav pick. I just knock everything over. That's fine. It's part of the fun, right? But hopefully I don't keep what's going on. Everything quite as cluttered as I do. The lovely internal feel is that of mushy peas. So everything's kind of muted and non-existent, I guess is the word. Oh, that's a definite click. There she is. There it is. And yeah, it works about as well as it looks like it works. Yummy. Alright, now that was something. A minute and 30 in. Let's see how hard it is to pick the new one that's got security pins in it now. That's false set. There it is. I'll let y'all be the judge. There you go.